how to customize or change or even clear your Safari background back to default. So right here on your Safari, you want to click on this bottom right of your screen, this button, and you just want to make sure you want to click this background image. And there you go. You can just choose any of the background image that Safari was provided. Or if you want to make it a custom one, for example, your own photo, you want to click on this plus button and then right here, choose the one background that you like. Or if you want to make it on custom, you just want to go where you saved it before in the Finder, for example, in download, and just click on it. Click on choose, and there you go. And if you want to clear it, you want to click this button at the bottom right of your screen again, and then choose on this X. Then it will back to default again. And you can also just uncheck the background image, and there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.